Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2, 24th of February 2021 question. Question number 20. It's a memory based question and the question is in the house of GP. Four numbers whose sum is 65 by 12 are in GP. Sum of their reciprocals is 65 by 18 and product of first three of them is 1. If third term is alpha, then find the value to alpha. So, in these cases, let suppose the GP is A by R, comma R, comma AR, comma AR square. This is our GP. And this term is alpha as tell in the question, as question described, that is the first three of them is product of first three of them and the third term is lambda alpha. So alpha is our third term. Now product is given. Product of this GP is equal to first three term AR dot A dot AR is equal to, this is given 1. Product of first three term is 1. So that implies A cube, R and R is cancelled off. A cube is equal to 1 and that implies A is equal to 1. So the GP become, so the GP is equal to 1 by R, comma 1, comma R, comma R square. This is the GP. So sum is equal to 1 by R sum is equal to A by R plus 1 plus R plus R square is equal to 65 by 12. Now that implies R cube plus R square plus R plus 1 is equal to, divide R, HCF is that is equal to 65 by 12. Now this is equation 1 and the product is given, sum of their reciprocals is 65 by 18. So this reciprocal of this GP's terms is equal to 1 by R, that is R plus 1 plus 1 by R plus 1 by R square, that is equal to 65 by 18 given. That implies R square is HCF and it is also R cube plus R square plus R plus 1, that is equal to 65 by 18. This is equation 2. So it is seen that the numerator of these two equations are common. So dividing 1 and 2. So here we get R is equal to 65 by 12 and into 18 by 65, that is equal to 3 by 2. So that implies 2R. So R is equal to, we know R is equal to what? R is equal to alpha, as it is the third term. So R is equal to alpha. So alpha is equal to 3 by 2. That implies 2 alpha is equal to 3. as we find the value of 2 alpha, so 2 alpha is equal to 3. So we reached, it is our required answer. Now moving to, this is the whole solution of question 20. Now moving to question 21. Now moving to question 21. At point P 5,7 on the circle x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 25, a tangent and a normal are drawn. The area of the triangle formed by the tangent and the normal with x-axis is lambda. Then 24 is equal x-axis is lambda. Then 24 is, so 24 lambda, so it is 24 lambda is equal to what? So this is the question also from JEE Main. It is JEE Main shift 2 question 24th of February 2021 also, and it's a memory based question. So at first draw the picture. The circle is given here, it's also memory based question. A circle is given here, so this is the circle, and center of this circle C is equal to 2, 3. So this is the x-axis, and this is the, here is the tangent, which is, the tangent is this, and the normal of the circle, normal is this. So this is the center. So this is the normal and this is the tangent, and it is the center C 2 by 2, 3. Here is the touching point, this is P 5,7 is given at point P is 5,7, and here is the point R, and tangent touch x-axis at the point R, and normal touch x-axis at the point Q. So now move on to the question. The circle is this, the tangent, normal, and drawn area. So the area, the normal at P, let's the equation, normal at P, normal at P is equal to y minus 3 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 3. That implies we know y is equal to 0 here, at it is touch x-axis, so y is equal to 0. Therefore as y is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to here 1 by 4 minus. Therefore the point Q is equal to minus 1 by 4 comma 0. Now tangent at the point, tangent at the point P, that is equal to, what is the tangent at the point P? Y minus 7 is equal to minus 3 by 4 x minus 5. So that is equal to here y is equal to 0 also, as it is touch x-axis. So here we get x is equal to 43 by 5. Therefore R is equal to 43 by 3, sorry it is 3, 43 20, and it is 20, and it is 28, so it is 43 by 3 comma 0. So this is the coordinate of R. Now triangle PQR, from triangle PQR. Now from the triangle PQR we may say the area is equal to half of QR into 7. So it is half into 175 by QR. So distance Q and R, we know the distance, it is minus this and 0 minus 0. So after calculating we get QR is equal to 175 by 12 into 7. So here we get it is 1225 by 24, and area is it is given the triangle from the tangent and normal with x-axis is lambda, so it is lambda, therefore 24 lambda is equal to 1225. It is our required answer, as the question asks what is the value of 24 lambda. So 24 lambda is equal to 1225. This is the whole solution of question 21. Now moving to question 22. So question 22 says us the number of the function from 1, 2, 3, 20 on to 1, 2, 3, 20 such that fk is multiple of 3 whenever k is multiple of 4. 4 options are given. So this is the equation, this is the question in the house of function. It is a memory based question and SIP 2 question 2021's JEE Main 24th of February. So here multiple of 4, multiple of 4 is equal to what? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 up to 20. Now multiple of 3 is equal to what? 3, 6, 9, 15, 18. Now this is the number of function from this to onto this. So this is on total onto function. So total onto functions, total onto functions is equal to 6, number of 6 ways how I select 6c5 into factorial 5 into factorial 5. This is the, we know the value of 6c5 is equal to 6 into factorial 5, and it is also factorial it is factorial 15, as 15 multiples as it is multiple of 3, so it is multiple of 3 is equal to 5 into 3, that means it is 15. It is factorial 6 and factorial 15. Answer is in the form of factorials, so I think we reached factorial 15 and factorial 6. It is our required answer, and our option is option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 22. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.